Hey, Richard Borston here in Granville, Tennessee, and there is a road here. My son's like, hey, I thought you said we had a road we were grading. Well, it's here. You can't really see it, but it's here. And it just kind of keeps going. So this is going to be a good one for the books. But yeah, so it comes up here. It's actually not too bad. We do have some rocks here, so we'll have to pay attention to that. But this road just kind of keeps going. Yeah. So, and it goes up. But you can see there's gravel here. It's just, the thing is that they just haven't been using it. They've been using, there's another road down there. Let me see if I can show you all here. So yeah, you can kind of see, where is it? There it is. So you can see the road. So they've been using that one, but they want to use this one. So that's what we're doing. And you can see once we get up out of here, it's not too bad. This is actually pretty flat. I don't think Steve will complain too much to me. So we're gonna get this graded out. We're gonna have to grade out over here because it's too high. And there's this flat part in here, and then it kicks back up at the end, like they always like to do. But see, I wouldn't lie to you. There is a road here. We just got to make it great again. You can see where it kicks up at the end here. That's where it gets real fun. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see the ruts there, but they're there. And we could leave them as is, but we're not going to. We're going to get it done. So there we go. So hang with us. It keeps going. I'm getting tired. I don't feel like walking all the way. But hang out with us, and we'll show you how we get it done. We're finding the road here. We got to be careful though, because there's 2-inch in here. There's all kinds of stuff in here, but there's also some rock in here. And start hitting that thing with the blade like this, right here. You hit this with the blade, and that's not gonna feel good. So a couple passes, and hey, you're starting to see a road here, right? Two passes, 400 to go. So more or less what Joey's doing right now is just grubbing. He just wants to get a lay of the land, get this stuff cleaned up, so he can start seeing how things are laying. You can see how it's kind of pitching this way. So what Joey's going to do is cut into here on this side and get it all cleared out, so we can throw some water that way once we got it cleaned up. It's as steep as it looks. So the trucks are having to dump at the bottom, and we're bringing it up. Sorry guys, I'm not hiking up this thing. Not right now. You can see how the 275 does. That's sitting on 2-inch, pushing up a hill. So it does pretty good. It's got pretty good torque at the ground. Well, we're still here. We're trying to get gravel up this hill, and the guys are not being able to get up it. They've been wanting to go backwards. I'm kind of thinking that going forwards would give them a little more push, but we'll see here. Well, I may have the next truck just try to make it up forwards. So we'll see. But good thing is we've got a lot of moisture in this crush, so it's packing really well, and when it dries it's going to be rock hard, which is great. He's trying not to toss his bed, man. There he goes. Holy moly. Well, and here we are, all done. I'd say it looks a little different than how it did before. You can see some of the pictures